sejam bem-vindos ao meu canal. Today I'm here with my best friends. That's Crystal, that's Josh, Aiden, and Joshua. Hoje eu e a Crystal a gente vai fazer uma tag que é Best Friend Challenge e basically I have 10 questions about me and she has 10 questions about her and we're gonna see whoever is the best friend.
Which is me.
No, which is me, of course.
The punishment of the challenge is that whoever loses gets to drink a milkshake or a smoothie or whatever. Hey!
Can you guys stop?
Gets to drink a smoothie of, he's gonna pick one thing to put in it, he's gonna pick one thing, he's gonna pick one thing, and then the winner picks one thing, and then the loser has to drink it.
So yeah!
Oh no no, just be careful, nah nah. Love ain't simple, nah nah. Promise me no promises.
So what is my favorite color?
I feel like I'm gonna get this wrong, but
No, you won't.
I got it right.
Yummy.
So put the correct.
Now
one,
you're gonna
so left.
put Crystal 1 point. Yeah, good job.
Okay, BB, are you ready?
Most common.
Hey, all right.
Not
What?
nice.
Shut up, bro. I'm getting pissed.
He flipped
No
you off.
talking.
All right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready, BB? Even though you just saw that.
Yeah, I already know the answer.
What is my middle name?
Se vocês não sabem, aqui nos Estados Unidos as pessoas têm 2 nomes. Não é igual no Brasil que a gente tem o primeiro nome e 2 sobrenomes. Aqui nos Estados Unidos é 2 nomes. Tipo, Gabriela Luísa. Aqui todo mundo tem, só que ninguém usa, ninguém mal sabe o nome do meio de ninguém, entendeu? 1, 2, 3, and... Where is it?
Oh, Joshua has it, because I gave him the paper.
Joshua, give me your phone.
Gente, o sobrenome dela é Gabriela e o meu nome é Gabriela. When I'm talking to someone, to a guy, I don't like to call him by that name.
I'm done.
1, 2, 3, and... I think it's so stupid. It sounds
He's not
so
your dad,
stupid.
so I could understand.
It's so stupid. I don't like it.
Alright. What is my favorite color? Is that a 10? Okay,
Did I
ready?
get it right?
I don't know. Ready?
4! 1,
1,
2,
2, 3.
Yes!
What about if we tie? Do we both drink it?
Yeah.
Yes. My favorite color is pink. Her favorite color is black. What is my brother's name?
I don't know how to spell it. Does spelling count?
It's a very simple name.
It is.
Now you cannot know how to
Ready?
spell
1, 2, 3. Yes. I don't know your sister's name.
I didn't ask that question.
I call her Jane.
What is my favorite animal?
1, 2, 3, and...
It's a monkey.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is. That's my favorite animal.
Get
Dinosaurs don't exist anymore.
Bro, fuck off!
I swear!
No, it's not.
Jurassic
Right?
World.
Her fucking boyfriend just came here and asked her to fucking homecoming.
With a picture of a dinosaur.
And now you're gonna tell me
I'll
it's
give you
monkey? Yeah, that's what I thought.
She got it right.
What is my favorite sport? I have 2.
I was about to say you have 2.
Yeah.
So do I write both or can I write one?
Both. 1, 2, 3, and... Yes! Abby!
Even though cheer isn't really a sport.
Bro, shut up!
Yes, it is.
This is my favorite thing to be called when I'm in a relationship.
That's not easy. I think that'll hold.
Okay,
Alright,
1, 2,
1, 2,
3, and...
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I call her babe, like with the E, not Y. But
Hit me up. I'm gonna start a YouTube channel. She's gonna put the link in the description.
alright.
Okay, what? What's the question?
How how do I poop?
Oh, I know this.
What?
How did she poop?
1, 2, 3.
She sits. Yo, dead ass. She sits on the toilet like this. I swear to God, like this with her feet. Like this with her feet. Like no funny shit.
Crystal, she moves like that. I'm being so freaking serious. She moves like that.
I actually do though.
Did you know that's actually the proper way to poop?
I really do.
Oh my god.
It's not easier.
It does. It's supposed to.
What is my mom's name?
Let's get.
You have to know this. You met her. I told you her name. 1, 2, 3.
Oh no.
I knew it started with the J. I got the J right. What's my favorite movie? I was so nice. Like, literally. These questions are so freaking easy. I
So
feel
are mine.
bad. No! What's my mom's name?
How do you not know my mom's
What's
name?
my mom's name?
Your mom or your stepmom?
Stepmom.
Danielle.
Fuck!
Because I remember that you told me it.
Whatever.
Ready?
1, 2, 3.
3. So on Tuesday actually, we were supposed to twin for twin day, and then I was like, "Oh, BB, do you want to twin for twin day?" And she was like, "Yeah, but tomorrow let's both wear pink." And I was like, "Why?" She was like, "Cause on Wednesdays we wear pink, nah nah nah." And I was like, "I don't have anything pink." And then she's like, "I'll bring you stuff." So she brought me socks and a shirt just so that I would wear pink with her. Nike or Jordans for me.
1, 2, 3. Yeah.
So is it all tied up?
No, BB's losing by 1.
How?
Because she got the mom. What's the mom?
What is our song that we sing 24/7? No, I want you to put both. Let me put the other one.
I don't know what the other one's called.
I don't
Can I
don't
just put the
care.
lyrics?
1, 2, 3, and none of your love and
I don't know the name, so I have a baby
Yeah,
girl.
it's
Is that
a
a
big-
half point? Because I didn't know the name.
the name is Oh Baby Girl.
Oh, okay.
So our song is
Oh baby girl, I am in love with you. You're my best friend. You're my everything. I love holding you so tight. We're
We're never gonna die. We're never gonna end. I'ma love you all
Till
the
the
way.
end.
We don't know our song, but that's our song. And the other one
We
is
just know the part that says, "You're my best friend." It's got
Yeah.
the best friend.
and the other one is
You think I'm stupid, bitch, that you really a dog. I don't want none of your love. I could name all the lies you told me. It's crazy, cause I really gave you my trust. Before the fame, you ain't think I would make it, but baby girl, now I'ma show you what's up. And it's a shame, I just had to be patient. I swear on my mother, I'm about
Oh, I just showed you.
No, I think it's.
What are you
Is
doing?
it the wrong name?
Oh my
Got it? Let me see.
BB! How am I gonna get this off? Okay, do I prefer to smoke marijuana or drink alcohol?
Easy.
that was easy.
I gave you easy questions. 1, 2, 3.
Aqui nos Estados Unidos não é comum, tipo, beber quando você é adolescente, igual é no Brasil, sabe? Tipo, tem festas que tem, mas não é muito comum. Mas assim, fumar é bem mais comum, entendeu? Okay. I had to take a class with freshmen. Which class?
Oh, I think I know this one.
1,
2.
2, 3. Wait, You take biology with freshmen?
Yes.
Gym
Yeah, I thought it was gym.
What do you mean, Jim?
You take gym with freshmen too. Most of the class is freshmen.
Because I take biology with them. That's why. Then I have to go to lab with them.
Oh. Where am I from?
Easiest question in the world. You say it every day. Another one.
Yes. I don't know where she's from, bro.
1, 2, 3, and.
I know, but like.
I'm from Brazil.
No.
Daqui a pouco eles vão ter que ir embora. Então, eles têm, sei lá, treino. Não sei o que eles têm que fazer, que eles vão ter que ir embora daqui a pouco. Então, eles vão ter que escolher agora pra as coisas que a gente vai ter que tomar. Porque deu empate, então nós duas vamos fazer a prenda.
So that
Can you hurry up and choose 3 things?
here, this is my item that I chose.
Put it in my pocket.
Actually, no.
Did you choose this or something?
I chose this. We'll put that on top.
Okay, so then
Can
I
you
chose.
vlog? Like, you're not even doing right.
Alright, so right now they're choosing the ingredients.
Yeah.
It's done.
It's done.
Bruh.
No, you fucked up with the
Vai ser vinagre com esse chantilly que é muito ruim e essa coca. Bro, that's gonna
Coca.
taste so freaking bad.
There's no point in mixing it.
Ja.
Bibi.
Who's going first?
We need a spoon.
That way to drink that whole thing? Why can't we split it?
No, that's
Split
what
it.
I'm saying. You're splitting it.
Yes, Aiden. You're smart as hell.
That looks so disgusting.
They are having so much fun, bro.
We'll help you out here.
No! You only had 3 items.
I wanna cry.
No.
Oh my god! My god! Bibi, I'm gonna kill myself.
Just go like this and drink it.
That
Okay,
doesn't
ready?
help, nigga.
Ready?
I don't know where the fuck you learned
Ready?
that. No, Bibi, don't
Crystal, I'm
choke
about to
me.
eat this piece of pizza.
Bro, can you
Okay. Are you gonna heat it up though?
What kind of down?
My head's itchy, hold on.
I don't want to do that, like, at all.
Alright, you ready?
Can we
Yeah.
3, 2,
I'm not drinking the whole thing,
go.
bro. That actually isn't even that bad.
Gente, o vídeo cortou porque o meu pai me ligou, mas na real nem tava tão ruim, tipo, não era uma coisa que eu beberia, mas não era tão, sabe, bom. Wait. No, it's this one.
I don't even know what that is.
No, you're
So my bunny humps the other bunny.
Let's go. Excuse me.
On that note, we will leave.
So yeah, bye guys. I was saying bye to my YouTube channel. Bye guys, love you all.